after only one session of this massage. I will show you an easy and fast way to lift your face naturally. I'm applying the cleansing oil. I have the link down below for suggestions. You can also use oils such as rosehip oil or argan oil. Make sure your hands are gliding well against your skin. Smooth out the neck with the palm of your hands. Let's start with the neck stretch to prepare for our session. Just like our bodies, when we exercise our face muscles every day, you'll see a noticeable improvement. Massage your jawline. You can feel the small bumps here. This feels so relaxing and you can really feel the jawline getting tighter. This movement stimulates and lifts the entire cheek area. Make sure one hand is lifting the cheekbone with your knuckles. Prevent the cheek from sagging. We're massaging the one side of the face first. We'll be repeating all the same movements for the other side of the face in the second part of this video. Wrap your hand over the jawline and lift them up towards the hairline. This one movement will lift the entire face. Prevent cheekbones from sagging. The cheekbone sagging will also cause the eye bags to appear over time. You can get full youthful cheeks by doing this movement. Make sure you're lifting your cheekbones. Lift and move your fingers outward towards the hairline. Now same movements, but add in the brow and forehead lift. Keep lifting your brow. I love these movements because you see an immediate result. Lift up your face by doing this. This promotes healthy blood flow throughout the head and the neck area. This is an excellent way to lift your face. Let's smooth out those crow's feet. Gently do the acupressure underneath your eye to prevent and remove the eye bags. Smooth out to rid of toxins on your eyebrow. This will lift up your eyelids as well. Now, let's lift the other side of the face. crisscross the forehead and stimulate the forehead muscles. Split your fingers and do the lymphatic massage to clear out the fluid from this area after the massage. Spread your fingers apart, leaving a gap between the third and fourth fingers. Massage the area under and above the collarbone. This is the end of the lymphatic vessels, and we want to make sure the exit is not trapped or clogged. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!